It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So today I have my Glam bag for the month of June 2024. This bag is a $14 a month bag plus $1.99 shipping and handling and tax based on where you live. So this bag ships out every month. It does contain 5 beauty product or skincare products. Generally it's a mix of both. And sometimes you get tools. So we're going to get right into my bag here. I hope you guys are doing well and handling this heat. This heat has been unrelentless. I've just been so hot and tired. I just haven't done anything. So, you know, the heat is just kind of just zapping your energy. So without any further delay, today we are actually doing a try on. So we're using all the products in this bag to help me create today's look. So the look that you see here is the finished product. So as we go through the video, I'll take you through all the products that I use, what I thought about them. And I like the fact that this bag definitely has smaller size products. It makes it great for traveling, as well as you don't end up with a lot of a product, because if you don't like it, then you know you don't have much of it. But it does allow you to try out different products, see what you do like. So that's the best part. You get to try out a lot of different things and see what products work for you, and a lot of different brand products that you may have seen on TikTok, YouTube. You could kind of see how they perform. They're generally products that we receive in our bag. So let's go. So let's start out with our little cute bag. It is definitely summertime colors. I love the yellow. I love the brightness of our bag here. I think it's very cute. And it's just fun. It's a fun little bag here. So I like it. So the first product I'm pulling out, we have a Balance Me product. This is going to be a cleansing milk here, and this product here, I did use this product. This is what we started out with. So I use this to cleanse my face. This product does not foam up, so if that's something that you're used to, this product is not going to do that for you. This product is simply just going to kind of be like what it is, a cleansing milk. So it goes on, and I started off with like an oily face to like really see if this product really felt like it would clean my skin, and I did feel like it did do that. This seems like it was an okay product for me. My skin did not feel like dried out or anything after I washed it, so that was a plus. So this was like a good product for me. I thought this worked pretty well, and you guys can see as well. But yeah, it cleansed my oily skin, because I'm the summertime oily girl. So oil everywhere. So that is me. So let's go to our next one. So our next product, we have a serum, and this is by Innis, and I've been seeing this a lot more in these boxes. So this is an Innis-free beauty product here. This is a serum, and this is the green tea enzyme vitamin C brightening serum. So this one is supposed to brighten up your skin. Vitamin C, you know, helps kind of clear, you know, any blemishes, kind of brighten up those blemishes. So that's what I use next. This product surprised me. I'm gonna take it out the box so you guys can see, but this product kind of surprised me in the sense that I was expecting it to kind of be like a smooth serum, and it kind of went on a bit tacky. So I kind of patted it into my skin and kind of pushed it in with my hands. It wasn't like one of the regular serums where like it kind of goes on and it kind of just smooths in. I felt like kind of pressing it into my skin with my palms was the best way to kind of get it in, because it did have a bit of a tacky feeling to it. So that I don't know, it depends on if you like that or not. I mean, vitamin C, we just have to see over time if it works. But I mean, it just went on kind of tacky, just so you guys know. Not like a smooth serum that kind of goes on and you could kind of just rub it all in. It was more like I needed to press it in, because it felt like a tacky kind of feeling to it. So you know, we'll see with this one. I don't know what to expect, but you know, vitamin C, this is a serum. It takes time for this stuff to work, so we'll see. So let's go on to our next product. And the next item we have a foundation by Yensa. Yensa is pretty common in this bag, as well as for IPSY altogether. They have a lot of Yesenia products. So this is a foundation that we have by Yesenia Beauty, and this is the Super Serum Foundation. So this is like skincare and makeup mixed together is the best way to describe this, because it's supercharged, they said, with peptides and age-defying complex of vitamin C and ferulic acid and bukachi oil. So that is supposed to help you with brightening, firming, and preventing fine lines and wrinkles. So you have a double duo combo right here. So yeah, I went ahead and applied this, and I did the dot method for applying this foundation, because it's summertime. I don't put on anything thick in the summertime, and generally that is my favorite way to put on foundation anyway, is just kind of just putting a little bit on the back of my hand, dotting it all over my face. I take my brush and I just take my time and just kind of blend in the foundation. Now, for all of you that are already going to say, hey, this is too light for you, this is too light for you, I am a person believe that it's okay if it's a little bit lighter than you, because if you're going to use your bronzer, your blushes, and all of that, then you're not looking for something to go on to be matchy with your skin. You're looking for something to kind of brighten up your skin, and that is what I found. I kind of use this as like to kind of make my skin pop. But look, you know, it's okay if it went on lighter. And a lot of these foundations, they kind of oxidize down if you give them a bit, so it may seem extremely light when you put it on, but after a little while it kind of oxidizes, and then when you add all your other stuff on with it, then you're fine. But if you're looking for something, this was deep #1. So yeah, I could have probably definitely went with a deeper deep. If I wanted something without adding anything in, I definitely would need a darker color. But yeah, we went ahead and we played with it. It does feel very light on my skin, just to let you know. I do not feel like anything is heavy on my skin. It feels like I just have on regular skincare. It doesn't feel like I have a whole bunch of heavy makeup on, which I like. So for the summertime, definitely. But yeah, I could have went with a deeper color for sure, but it was okay because we're adding in the color, we're adding in the bronzer, and it'll be fine. So that, and I thought that it kind of blended out very well. It did say it was full coverage. I thought it did a job. But yeah, I could have went with a deeper color if I was just going to wear it without all the extras, because sometimes you just kind of want a clean face and you want to keep it as natural as possible. For that, I would have definitely needed a darker color. But for YouTube, hey, I'm adding on all the theatrics with the color, so we're good. So let's go to our next product. So guys, the next item, I got a blending brush here. I got Chica Beauty eyeshadow shade brush, and this is considered a full-size product in this bag, you know, and this is valued, I think it's at $10. Yeah, $10. So this is a blending eyeshadow brush, and I actually got around to using this Ace Beauty palette that came in our BoxyCharm box. BoxyCharm by IPSY box. So I got a chance to play in this palette. Like I told you, I wanted to play in this palette. So I got a chance to play in this palette, and I use this blending brush to kind of help create my look. And generally, when I use eyeshadow, I literally have no plan. I just kind of go with wherever my heart says go with the color, and we just go there. So I use this to kind of blend all the colors out at the end. So I used it at the end to blend it out, and it was an okay blending brush. I mean, it's a blending brush. I mean, it's not like it's a foundation brush. I mean, if it can't just move makeup around, we got a problem. But yeah, it was alright. I had no problems with this. And again, this was by Chica Beauty, and this is their eyeshadow shader brush. So yeah, I was fine with it. Although now this brush does have this long hair. I know you guys can't see that, but there's a long hair here, so I was trying to pull it out and it won't pull. I'm gonna have to cut that off. But yeah, I had no problem using this brush, just so you guys know. So the last item that we finished up with to create this look was the mascara. We got a mascara by Wander Beauty. Wander Beauty is a very familiar brand to the IPSY subscription. And this is called the Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. Not bad at all. I wasn't really expecting anything with this, and I was pleasantly surprised. I thought it worked. I would say maybe not as much as one of my favorite ones, but you know, I thought it did a very decent job. And this is again a deluxe sample. That's what you get majority in the IPSY subscription. Is going to be for the IPSY Glam bag. It's always going to be deluxe samples, and generally you'll get one item that's like a full size product. So we got a brush this month that was full size. But yeah, I thought this was not bad. And I believe this one is this waterproof? I'm not sure if this one is waterproof. I was looking. Yes, it's a water resistant formula. It says it nourishes at the same time thanks to some kind of castor seed oil or something like that. So this is a waterproof formula, which, as we know, for the summer we need that because we're sweating and it's hot. It's been 90, 95, 98. 100 with the heat index. I mean, it's been crazy. So yeah, for the summer you need something that's definitely going to help you. So I felt like this was easy to use. I was fine with it. So guys, in review, we got 5 products from IPSY Glam bag this month. That was our Wander Beauty mascara. We got the Yesenia Beauty foundation. We have the Innisfree brightening serum. We have the Chica Beauty blending brush, and we have the Balance Me milk cleanser. And I'm trying to figure out which would I say. Well, we got 2 makeup products this month, 2 skincare, and I'm going to consider the brush and makeup product. And I would say I like the way the formula feels for the Yesenia Beauty foundation because it feels very light, and it doesn't feel heavy, and I felt like it did do what it say. I would have liked it if it was in a deeper color. I got deep 1. I could use a little bit deeper. If I was going to just wear this by itself, I definitely would want it deeper. But I felt like the mascara did a good job, and I like the Yesenia for how it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy, which is a plus in the summer. And the skincare, hey, we'll see as time goes on. A cleanser and a serum. So yeah, and I can always use a brush, so there's no loss there. So again, this is a Glam bag for the month of June 2024. This was our try on. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. I love sharing what I'm getting in my subscription boxes as well as what I'm purchasing with you guys. If that is something you're into, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you over here as part of my family on this channel. But guys, until my next video, everyone try and stay cool in all this heat and enjoy your summer. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.